this is Malika. Welcome to Suprabha Treats. Today I am going to make banana walnut loaf topped with buttercream and caramel sauce. Let me introduce the ingredients for banana walnut loaf. At first I am adding the butter. I have softened it by keeping it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Now I am adding the brown sugar. You can also use normal caster sugar. Now I am mixing the butter and the sugar together. The butter and sugar has been mixed properly, and now I am going to add eggs one at a time. And now I am adding flour, half teaspoon of baking soda and little salt. I am going to sieve it. I am adding milk powder and overripe banana. Now I am adding roasted walnuts. I am adding half the yogurt. Mix it. I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And adding the remaining yogurt. The cake batter is ready, and now I am going to pour it in the baking tray. I have greased the baking pan with butter, and now I am going to put butter paper in it. Now I am going to pour the batter. I have filled half of the baking pan with batter, and now I am going to put it in the oven, which I have already preheated. If you are left with some batter, you can use them in making cupcakes. I have filled 1/3 of the cupcake liners with the batter. While the cake is getting baked, I am going to prepare caramel syrup and buttercream for icing. So I'll start working with caramel syrup, for which I have taken half cup of caster sugar and 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. I put the pan on medium heat. Now I'm pouring the sugar. I'm adding half teaspoon of water and let it caramelize. As you can see, the sugar has caramelized. The color has changed into golden. Now I am going to add fresh cream in it. The caramel syrup is ready. I have turned off the gas. And I am going to keep it aside. To prepare the buttercream, I have taken 2 cups of icing sugar and 1 cup of unsalted butter and little fresh cream. I am adding the softened butter and mix it properly. The butter has got a smooth consistency now, so I am going to add icing sugar. Before that, I'll sieve it. And I am adding just a pinch of salt. Now I am adding little vanilla extract and mix it. Now I am adding less than half teaspoon of fresh cream, which will give a smoother texture to the buttercream. See the consistency? The buttercream is ready. I am going to keep it in the fridge for half an hour. The banana walnut loaf is ready. So I am going to check with a cake tester. It has come out clean. That means it is baked properly. Now I am going to brush it with milk and keep it aside to let it cool. I'm going to put buttercream icing on the walnut banana loaf. Drizzle with caramel sauce. To give the finishing touch by sprinkling some roasted walnuts. I hope you are enjoying my recipes. Please stay tuned for more interesting recipe videos. Thank you.